We're at the Sarett Nature Center in Michigan. We're quite a few trails around here, lowlands and highlands, I guess. But, we're gonna go see what we can find. So come on along, let's go. The Sarett Nature Center is right outside of Benton Harbor, Michigan. The area spans almost 1,000 acres of marshes, swamp forest, dry forest, and upland meadows. And there's over 5 miles of walking trails to explore the area. If a wetland dries out enough during the summer to support trees, it is referred to as a swamp. If it is so wet that only cattails and sedges can survive, you have a marsh. Marshes are home to an abundance of wildlife, including numerous reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals, such as the muskrats. Well, now we got a boardwalk. That's pretty good though, because that's getting kind of swampy there. I guess we're going on a treetop walkway. This 220-foot long boardwalk is 6 feet wide and 55 feet high above the swamp forest floor. The trail goes through the canopy of the forest and is barrier-free. It's also accessible for wheelchairs and strollers. So enjoy the birds, insects, and the many sights and sounds of the forest. Just an overlook. We'll go over here and see what it overlooks. My guess is a lot of trees. And that swampland down there, I guess. The 3 layers of the forest are easily viewed from here. Overhead, trees like the silver maple and black willow create the canopy. Below in the shrub layer are red dogwoods and pussy willows. Plants like the jewel weed exist in the herb layer. All right, now we're following the upland trail. We were down the lowland, now we upland. I guess we're up on a ridge. I'm gonna follow it and see where it goes. Kind of looks like an octopus.
straight up. One of them hills you climb on your tiptoes. I felt that one in the legs. There you go, cave in a tree. There you go, whole field of wildflowers. I'd take a little spur off the trail to see it. I could see it through the trees. To get this kind of shot, I'd take a little spur, but this is worth it.
Dominant wetland trees in this swamp are silver maple, American elm, willow, and speckled alder. These trees are specially adapted to survive in the wet locations. Wide-spreading roots enabling them to stand in the mucky soils.
Oh, that water's clear. However, you got the trails kind of wet and a little bit muddy. You get that mud on the bottom of your shoes, makes these boardwalks just a little bit slick. Oh, here we go. There's a trick. Get around that without falling in. Made it. All right. Coming up to the end of the trail, back up at the trailhead. So, if you like what you saw, give me that thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought about it. If you want to see more, subscribe. Click on that little ding-a-ling right there beside that subscribe button. They'll let you know the next time I post a video. Go ahead and follow me on this Midwest road trip. We're getting in a lot of different places. So, until next time, I hope to see you down the trail.